Welcome back to Bikezone channel. Today we dive into the 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy 114 is here, and it's bolder than ever. Known for its classic stance and unmistakable design, the Fatboy lineup has been a Harley icon for decades. The latest model brings together all the features that fans know and love, while incorporating updates that make this model not only a head-turner but a top performer in its class. Let's break down what makes the 2025 Fatboy 114 such a standout cruiser. Design and styling. The Fatboy has always been known for its muscular, stripped-down look, and the 2025 model is no exception. With a wider front end and solid disc wheels, this bike maintains its imposing road presence. The chrome finishes, paired with deep paint options, give it a polished yet rugged appeal. The LED lighting setup not only modernizes the bike's look but also provides excellent visibility. The iconic Fat rear and front tires add to the bike's aggressive, confident stance, making it easily recognizable from any distance. Power and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Fatboy 114 is Harley's Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, known for delivering powerful low-end torque. This engine brings smooth yet thrilling acceleration, ideal for both highway cruises and city rides. With 114 cubic inches of displacement, this engine offers more power than previous models, translating to better response and enhanced performance. Riders will feel the increased horsepower on every twist of the throttle, with vibrations minimized thanks to the engine's advanced counterbalancing. Handling and comfort. Despite its heavy build, the Fatboy 114 is designed to handle well on various road types. The 2025 model features improved suspension that provides a more comfortable ride over rougher surfaces. Harley Davidson has also optimized the seat height and foot controls, allowing for better ergonomics. The relaxed seating position and wide handlebars offer a comfortable stance that minimizes fatigue, even during long rides. Harley has taken great care to keep the signature heavy feel of the Fatboy while still ensuring it's easy to control. Technology and features. The 2025 Fatboy 114 incorporates several tech upgrades without losing its classic charm. Riders will appreciate the digital gauge with features like a gear indicator, fuel range, and clock. Advanced safety features include Harley's Reflex Defensive Rider Systems RDRS, which brings cornering ABS, traction control, and drag torque slip control. These additions make the Fatboy safer and more responsive, especially in challenging conditions. Harley Davidson has also improved the bike's LED lighting, ensuring better night visibility and an updated, modern look. Customization and accessories. One of the highlights of the Fatboy is the ease of customization. Harley Davidson has expanded its catalog for the 2025 model, allowing riders to tailor their Fatboy to match their personality. From custom seats to enhanced exhaust systems and storage solutions, there's an accessory for every type of rider. Harley has kept its commitment to making the Fatboy a versatile canvas, encouraging riders to create a machine that's uniquely theirs. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy 114 is a cruiser that blends tradition with innovation. It offers the classic Fatboy styling with power, comfort, and the latest technology. Harley Davidson has managed to maintain the rugged charm and iconic status of the Fatboy, while enhancing its ride quality and modernizing its features. For riders who want a bike that's as bold as it is reliable, the 2025 Fatboy 114 might just be the ultimate choice. Thanks for joining Bikezone.